Hello guys and welcome to our channel. I'm Andrea.
And I am Gus.
In today's video we're going to show you how to use copy trading on Bitget and start making some money straight away. So what's Bitget? Bitget is a leading digital asset trading platform, and we take a closer look at what makes Bitget stand out in the crowded cryptocurrency market.
As you may know, not all exchanges offer the same product and service. Some may focus on spot trading, while others may offer margin trading. It's important to find an exchange that's aligned with your own trading strategies and goals.
So one of the key features that set Bitget apart from other exchanges is its copy trading option. Copy trading is a service that allows users to copy the trades of successful traders automatically on the platform.
This can be particularly beneficial for less experienced traders who want to learn from more experienced traders and potentially increase their chances of success. When it comes to copy trading option, Bitget is one of the best exchange in the market. The platform offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of traders to choose from.
And it's not just the copy trading option that makes Bitget stand out. The platform also offers a wide range of trading options, including futures trading and perpetual swaps, which you cannot find in every other exchange.
Additionally, Bitget has over 2 million users across 48 countries and an average daily trading volume of $8.1 billion. And with low trading fees, 24/7 customer support, and even an app available for easy access on the go, Bitget is a great option for traders of all levels.
And if you're looking for a reliable and versatile exchange that offers copy trading option, Bitget is definitely worth considering.
Okay, now we'll be showing you step by step how to navigate the platform and copy your first trader. Let's jump on the PC.
First, let's go over the basics of creating an account. By using the referral link in the description below, allows you to get 20% on commission fees. Plus, there's a welcome bonus of up to $4,000 waiting for new users. This offer is only valid for a limited time, so be sure to take advantage of it while you can. So, once you use the referral link in the description, you will be prompted on a welcome page, this one as you can see. Fill out the requirement information as email and password, then press create account.
Once you press create account, you'll be prompted to verify your email address and set up two-factor authentication for added security.
Okay guys, now that you're logged in, let's take a look at the dashboard. On the right hand side, you can see a navigation menu over here. It says assets. Here you can make deposit or withdraw funds, or make transfer, and you can also see transaction history.
Let's see how to buy and sell your cryptocurrency. You'll have to go on Buy Crypto on the menu and click on Quick Buy. Here you can buy or sell your crypto by simply using your debit or credit card or any of the payment methods supported. Bitget supports over 70 payment methods. Type in the amount in crypto or fiat, then click Buy and select the payment method. And be aware that to proceed with this function, you need to verify your identity.
Now, let's take a closer look at the best feature on Bitget, copy trading. So let's go on copy trading and click futures copy trading.
From here, you'll be able to see a list of traders that are currently available to copy. Here you can sort the traders by ranking, followers, ROI, total P&L, and AUM. Or you can click on advanced filter and sort it by total profit, win rate, and by using tags.
Selecting the best copy trader on Bitget can be a bit overwhelming. as there are many traders to choose from. But don't worry, there's a few key factors that you can look at and, to help make a decision.
One of the most important factors to consider in choosing a trader to copy is the trader's profit rate. This is a percentage of profitable trades the trader has made over a certain period of time. The higher the profit rate, the better is. And you can find this info by clicking on the name of the trader you like to copy, and under trading data, you can find the section where it says gain.
Another factor to consider is the trader's drawdown. This is the percentage of trades capital that has been lost in a series of losing trades. The lower the drawdown, the better, as it indicates that the trader is able to limit their losses. This info can be found by clicking on order type and look for lost trades.
You should also consider the trading pairs that the trader is focusing on. It's important to choose a trader that is trading on pairs that align with your own trading strategies.
It's also a good idea to check the trader's trading history to see how consistent the trader's performance has been over time. So you can see all the history can be found here. Now, to start copy a trader, simply select the trader you want to copy. We got already this one selected. And then click on copy now.
Here, you can choose all the pairs you want to copy. As you can see, they are all selected. The amount of USDT you want to invest per trade. Then you can set your own risk management rules, such as stop loss and take profit levels, to ensure that copy traders align with your own risk tolerance. Click on Next and confirm. And finally, it's always a good idea to diversify by copying multiple traders, to spread the risk. This way, if one trader's performance starts to decline, the impact on your overall returns will be minimized.
And regularly monitor the performance of the copied trades and adjust the setting accordingly. You can see the performance of the copy trades in real time and make adjustments as necessary. The info can be found going on Assets, Orders, and you'll find your order on this page.
Remember that while copy trading can be a useful tool, it's not a guarantee of success. And there is always a risk or loss when trading in the cryptocurrency market. Users should always do their own research before deciding to copy a trader.
So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and we hope you found it informative.
If you like it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more contents.
We appreciate your support and don't forget to follow us on our social media platform. You can find the links below and for even more contents. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next video.